Welcome to Vollrath University. I'm Chef Rich, and we're in the Vollrath Test Kitchen today to learn how to adjust your Lidsaver2 dispenser. If you need to retrofit your Lidsaver2 unit to dispense a different lid, you'll need the following tools and materials. After removing the housing, remove the lid plate by rotating it counterclockwise. Install the replacement lid plate by rotating it clockwise until firmly snug. Using a standard screwdriver, loosen the claw screws and remove the existing right and left side claws from inside the door. Then, using a standard screwdriver, install the replacement claws, positioning the claws with the word left and right facing forward. Make sure both claws pivot freely, loosening the nylon screws 1/8 to 1/4 turn if necessary. Next, loosen the 4 pager screws and push the loosened pagers inward. Then, place the pager template onto the flange with the tabs in the 4 pager slots and the template code facing up and out. Gently push the 4 pagers out until they touch the tabs on the pager template. Finally, tighten the pager screws, reinstall the housing, and test the dispenser. To learn more about this or any other Vollrath product, visit us online at vollrath.com.